Mexico! Yeah!
That's a big alternator.
What's up, guys? Thank you for coming back and checking out the channel. In today's video, we have this Paxton car with a 3.3 pulley, stock motor, fuel system, blah blah blah. Tuning it, seeing what it's gonna make. Probably like 750, 775 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. 690 on the base pull, Paxton setup, stock motor, headers, ID 1050, blah blah blah. Let's see what it does once we crank it up. Lund Jr. is very familiar with these setups. I mean, all the Lund Tuners are. Alex, Brandon, they all know what the f they're doing. That's just the first base file. Let's see what it actually made. Turned up. I think it'll probably make 730, 740 maybe. By popular demand. Hey Richard. What you working on? You know, I've never taken that thing off in like 5 years.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Usually, we just take the whole manifold off. Why didn't you do that?
I'm not trying to work around all this other stuff right here.
Oh.
It's the bolts, all these bolts easier, and call it a day.
Call it a day, but every day, you get to spend a day and the time with me. So, if you guys don't know this by now, Richard is now here full-time. So he is added onto my list of people I will terrorize and roast daily. Look how excited he is. So by popular demand, we are working on the TransAm. Gonna see what we have going on with it, what we gotta do to get it back up and running. We'll know something here shortly. Stay tuned.
I got both of them, bro.
What truck comes around here that tells them Milwaukee stuff?
Cornwall.
Oh, power, baby. Oh, there's a fucking culprit. Hey,
Alright.
what did that say?
A ver, enséñalo, enséñalo.
What did that say? What brand is that?
That says Motorsports Unlimited.
They look like little naughty rip-offs.
They're definitely f***ing rip-offs.
It's good?
I didn't start it yet.
Start it. Start it real quick. Let it run for like 5 seconds and then turn it on.
Have you been putting the koozies in the shipments? I bet that he wasn't gonna answer.
Because he owns me a motor. Little does he know, we're calling about a different motor now.
He definitely ain't gonna answer me.
This push rod already looks.
Oh, the one that's sticking out the most?
Pull it out, Brian.
Oh, pull it out. You gotta show him how you do it.
Oh. I don't know if I can perform in this big of an audience.
What are you doing, Ricardo?
Trying to see what lifters beat up. Making all that racket when this thing is running. What are you looking at?
Damn, just 2 fingers?
It looks pretty beat up. Like the board, the lifter board looks pretty beat up.
Let me get on that side and see.
Alright, I'm gonna do a dyno pull real quick. $729. What did it make before?
740 on yours,
though, right?
I think, yeah.
Just getting there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get it there safely. All right, should be the final pull. Let's see. Whenever you dyno, Matt, do you have the filter on or off?
The filter on the front, I had the whole cone that comes with the Paxton on it.
And whenever you bought it last time?
I'm honest with you, I don't remember. Actually, yeah, I think it was off. That's why I came to re-dyno it.
Okay. What did we learn?
I don't know.
Filter. Hey guys. What's up? Let's see what you're doing. What are you doing, bro?
Nah, they late as shit. Early.
You're late.
I got a board look at you.
Wow, not today you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Maybe tomorrow.
Bitch.
Maybe never.
Another stroller? Why are you fucking people have kids, bro.
Man, I got 4 days to deal with you. I'm on vacation, bro.
Vacation for how long?
For a week. I'm calling in Friday.
You're gonna call in Friday.
Calling in on Friday, guys.
What else you got? That's it? Can I have this?
I ordered a strut. Oh no, that's through FedEx. Never mind.
FedEx.
Yeah, you'll probably never get it.
Is my strut in that one?
Yeah.
Must be nice.
What the f is this?
It'll be fine.
Bro, what'd you do?
I just drove it.
Just drove it?
Just drove it.
What'd I tell you about buying slapped out pieces of shit?
That happened for
You know, the bed looks like this normally when you're driving down the road anyway.
Like, don't you think I should leave these like this and just let them touch inside the tank?
I think it'd be fine.
Solve all my problems in one go.
Yeah. The
Do us a favor.
including yourself.
God's plan starts playing.
It'll be fine. Put some electrical tape.
¿Qué pedo aquí, pinche mojado? Canoso gordo, te doy un vergazo ahorita. Ah!
He's like, I ain't hurt. I ain't hurt.
Oh, he has it all taken apart right now. Y'all can't see nothing. This is just the start of the turbo kit. We actually already have it all bent, ready to be welded out. By the time you're watching this, it's probably already welded on and the truck's been started. So stay tuned. We only run maybe about a week behind on videos. Sometimes only a day. It just depends on what we decide to put out. Look. Smoking's bad, kids.
Bet you anything he won't even notice. He'll be like, oh, I guess I finished them.
I know what some of these things are.
Do you?
Yes. I just think it's funny how you come work at a shop with its own lift and now you all of a sudden need them.
That's what they're for.
I think you were limping this thing along the whole way.
Oh.
You're saying that
He was waiting until he showed up here.
No, we had this truck apart like four different times at the shop.
Yeah, might tell you something.
Yeah, piece of shit.
All the failures in your life.
This truck's the embodiment. It's like all of them put together in a vehicle.
Those are probably bad.
Thing has more miles than your ex-girlfriend, Chris.
Jeez, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
What happened?
Why is this here?
We were looking for something to pop up the bed with.
It's stainless, baby.
Yeah.
It's extra. That's that Wakanda Forever shit.
Did that hose work?
It's a little too big, but it'll work.
Red horse. That shit's gonna split again. China. I told him I had that piece. Also from China. Somebody calling Anthony? Look at that. You can't even answer the phone. Oh, hey. What the f?
Oh, that's a cute cat.
Yeah, it looks like Mewtwo in the form of a wiener and a cat mixed in. So we have bad news. We were working on this earlier in the video. We got everything down. Initially thought it was just the lifters. Well, that was me trying to be optimistic.
In denial.
Denial is not just a river in Egypt?
No.
No. You know, I knew a stripper named Denial once. There's a lady though. At least she told me. So we got it all down. Lifters did look a little beat up, but the truth came out whenever we cut open the oil filter. It looked like a starter kit from Lisa Frank from the 90s. If you're old enough, you guys know what that is. And that's a lot of glitter. So we'll go ahead and put a picture right here. At this point, the car is going to be on hold probably for a while or ever. I haven't decided yet. We got to get the 2017 back up and running. Got to finish the Ford project. And I probably want to do something to the 18 instead. Maybe Aldo will sponsor me a kit.
No whistle for that.
We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Sad day for the Trans Am. I was optimistic, tried to give it some love and attention, and look where it's gotten me. So let it be a lesson that if you ever really want something in life, it more than likely isn't going to work out. Right, Richard? Yeah. Right, Aldo? Yeah. Right, Kevin?
Hell yeah. Well, stock 4.8 in it.
Yeah. We can put a stock 5.3 in it. I don't even think it would last 3 pulls with that turbo on there, making any sort of reasonable power.
Make it say so.
Make it say something. All right.